Hello, this is Andy S83 and it's time for another video blog. Today we're gonna unbox La Creuset mini Coca-Cola Coco. Yes. The reason why we're gonna do this is because I had a comment on my other video, which I'll put here, that said that these are for sale. I did not even know they existed, and I thought it would be fun to own. Now, if you go to that video, you will see something like, hey, that comment isn't there! But the reason is that Google decided to remove it for some reason, and I even wrote a complaint. Why did that comment get removed? Because it had a link, right, to the product. And you may also ask, then why did I even know that the comment was there? Because it came on my Gmail, that's why. So you know, I can add a comment on screen here and you can watch it. The point is that it's annoying. I don't get a lot of comments on my videos, so the few I get are precious, you know, so I had to stick it to the man because of the comment got away, disappeared somewhere, not in the spam folder, just completely away. Okay, so let's open it. Le Creuset, and you may say, hey, that was not what you that was not what you called it earlier, or in the previous video. No, I saw some competitive videos on this, and I learned that the pronunciation is Le Creuset. Le Creuset. It's French. It's really difficult to open this box. Why is it so difficult to open the box? Okay. Here we are. Are you ready, boys and girls, for the Le Creuset? Ooh, look at that! Isn't it cute? I don't know what this is. Huh? Put it in another perspective. There you go. Now what can you use this for? Other than being you know, what's it called? A decorative thing. You can have it on a shelf or something, right? Like for decorative reasons. But I guess you could use it to brown butter or something, melt and brown. Do you agree with that? You're the chef of this house, Hansi. What would you use this for, other than being an decorative accessory? What would you use this for?
Crème brûlée.
Crème brûlée. Okay. Do you think this one will be used a lot?
No.
How much did it cost? Do you remember that?
$25.
Yeah, maybe. I think it is just for fun, you know, mainly for fun. I'm sure you could find something to do with this, right? I don't even know if you could use it on the stove. Can you? I think it's too small for the stove. You could, but you could put it in the oven too, though. You can put small potatoes in here and have it in the oven. I think. Well, wasn't that a fun unboxing? Yes, it was. Now rate, subscribe and comment, and there will be more content coming in about a month or half a year. We'll see. I'm thinking about making a review of the 4 Dead Rising games, and then I thought I was gonna do a defense of M. Night Shyamalan. This is long of content I'm gonna make for my channel in the future. So just rate, subscribe and comment, and share it with your friends and neighbors, and tell everybody how great this channel is, because I know you think so too. Bye bye!
understand, you know too soon. There's no sense in trying. But it's alright, Ma. It's life and life only.